important video for all my SSLC appearing students. And yes, this is going to be very helpful and informative video as we are going to discuss class 10 mathematics solved model paper today in this video. So let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the upcoming videos. So let's get started without any more wastage of time. And here you can see on the screen you have mathematics SLC class 10 model paper. It is solved and this is of 80 marks. So I'll be just sharing the questions with you along with the answers. You can observe the steps and the answers and you can pause the video wherever you need to look at the screen or the answer for the more time. So here we have first main multiple choice question. 8 questions will be given. The question is reflecting on your screen here. Question number 1, the number of zeros of the polynomial in the given graph is. So observe the graph and then the options are given down. So you can select the right answer and the answer is option A, 3. Next question for multiple choice question is for an event E, if P E is equals to 0.75, then P E is dash. So you can just look at the options and here the right option is option B, 0.25. Same way, question 3, observe it and then find the right answer. The question is the total surface area of a right circular cylinder having radius r and height h is dash. So the right answer is option D, 2 pi r into r plus h. Next, question number 4. Read the question and then see the answer. Here, according to the options, the option C, 1 is the right answer. Next, question 5. Again, you have to observe this figure, read the question, understand it, and write the correct answer. The right option from the given options is option A, 45 degree. Okay, next coming to question 6. Look at the question carefully. Read the options and then option C is the right answer here. You can pause the video and look at the question and observe it for the answer and its steps. Anyhow, this is multiple choice question. Question 7. The lines represented by the equations. Equations are given there and the options. Okay, so the right option is option D, parallel lines. Similarly, 8th question, the distance of the point minus 8, 3 from the x-axis is dash. Answer is option B, 3 units. I hope you're getting it. Okay, here we finish with our first main, going to second main. Answer the following questions. Please observe it carefully. I have shared the paper with you all. Okay, because there were many comments to share mathematics model paper of class 10. So here this will help you. Observe the question, observe the steps, how they have solved it, and the marks segregation is also given towards the right side. You can just observe it, okay? Question 10. You have to find the values of A and B. Similarly, you have question 11. Answer is given here. Look for the steps properly and just you can pause the video and take the screenshot of the required question and answer. Okay, question 12 is here now. Express the equation in the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, equation is given and that is how you have to simplify and write it. Similarly, question 13, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Coming to question 14, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 6, 3, and 4, 7. So again, the steps are given, coordinates of midpoint. Okay, how it is simplified, look for the steps properly. Okay. Next question 15. Write the degree of the polynomial. So degree of polynomial is 4. Okay. Next question 16. Again, write the formula to find the volume of the frustum of the cone given in the figure. Okay, so look at the answer. There's a formula given over there. Look at the figure, look at the formula given over there, and that is how you solve it. Okay, with this, we finish our second main. Continue with the third question, third main. Answer the following questions. It is question number 17. Here you have two options. You have one irrational number question, and second is find the HCF. So either of it, you can solve any one. So first we'll just see the answer for the irrational number and then HCF. So you observe it, look at it, take the screenshot, pause the video. Okay. After all, you have HCF questions answer. Next, coming to question 18, solve the given pair of linear equation. 3x plus y is equals to 12 and x plus y is equals to 6. Okay. All the steps are given here. Very clearly, it's reflecting. Observe it. Take this screenshot again wherever needed. I'm repeating that. Okay. Question 19. Find the 20th term of the arithmetic progression by using the formula. Okay, numbers are given down. Next, question 20. Find the roots of the equation by using quadratic formula. Equation is given. Or you have one more option for this question. Find the roots of the equation by method of completing the square. Okay, so both are formula-based questions. Look at it. And first we'll see the quadratic formula and then we'll see the other one. So this is the answer for quadratic formula. Or the next one is by equation method. Okay. Even if you follow any other alternate method to solve this and the steps are right and the answer is right, then you could get the marks, but it should be relevant, it should be correct methods and answers. You should not skip any of the steps. Okay, coming to question 21. In the given figure, angle ABC is equals to 90 degrees, then find the values of the sin and the cos. Okay, question is given, diagram is given. Look at the step and find the answer. Okay, question 22. A box contains cards which are numbered from 9 to 19. If one card is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a prime number. Okay, it's a word problem kind of question. You can read it and then apply the formula, write it. Okay, next question 23. Geometrical question, trapezium, to find the distance between the parallel lines. Okay, the figure is given. Look at it, draw the required segments and lines inside, and then solve using the steps. You can pause the video or take the screenshot wherever needed. Okay, here we come with 24th question. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter and construct a pair of tangents to the circle such as the angle between them is 60 degree. So here you'll have to work a bit of drawing the circle and the angles with your geometry instruments. So do not forget to carry your geometrical instruments for your maths exam because you have a question based on it. And after drawing the measurements are written down, like how the marking scheme will be given. For drawing a circle, you'll get half mark, then for 2 arcs, you get half mark. Okay, so it's very easy for you to make a judgment and have an idea how much of answer have you written and how you have to write it so that you get full marks. Okay. Question 4th, main 4th, answer the following question. Again, question 25, you have 2 options. One is divide the quotient, find the quotient and remainder, or find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, both the answers are given. We'll see one by one. First one is here, and then find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Answer is here. Okay. Question 26, prove that. Again, sin cos question has come. Again, you have an option. Okay, both are of similar questions, but you have two options here. So first answer is given here, and second, prove that. Okay, prove that answer is here. See each and every step very carefully, because if you miss any one of it, you may lose the mark. Okay, question 27, find the mean of the following data. The table is given, data is given, or you have an option, find the mode of the following data. Okay, you have two options. You can either opt for mean or mode. Okay, answer is given for mean here, and then for mode. Okay. Question 28. Again, you have two options, two questions over here. Find the ratio and find the area of triangle. Okay. I hope you all are taking the screenshots of the required answers so that it's easy for you. Okay. Or you can pause the video or go rewind it and see again. Okay, fine. Question 29. Prove the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, you have to prove this. The diagram is given here. You have to draw a diagram first and then prove step by step applying the formula. Okay. It's a theorem-based question. Question 30. To see the given figure and find the areas of the shaded region. Okay. So this is the diagram. Okay, let's see the answer. Look at the steps very carefully. Okay. Question 31. Construct a triangle. Again, a construction question, geometry question. Construct a triangle with sides 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. And then construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So look at the diagram. Look at the segregation of marks. It's given construction of given triangle 1 mark, acute angle with division half mark, parallel lines 1, and required triangle half. Okay. Question 32. The distance between two cities A and B. Okay, word problem it is. Please read it carefully. Okay, I'll read the question for you. The distance between two cities A and B is 132 kilometer. Flyovers are built to avoid the traffic in the intermediate towns between the cities. Because of this, the average speed of a car traveling in this route through flyovers increases by 11 kilometer per hour, and hence the car takes 1 hour less time to travel the same distance than earlier. Find the current average speed of the car. Okay, so use the formula. Time taken, distance between two cities. Okay. Observe the steps very carefully. Pause the video and understand it. Okay, question 33. Again, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policyholders. Draw a less than typo give for the given data. Okay. This is the answer shown over here on the graph sheet. Again, segregation of marks is given down. Okay, fifth main. Answer the following question. Again, you have word problem. Two questions are there. 34th question. The sum of the second and the fourth term of an arithmetic progression is 54, and the sum of its first 11 terms is 693. Find the arithmetic progression which terms of this progression is 132 more than its 54th term. Or the first and the last terms of an arithmetic progression are 3 and 253, respectively. If the 20th term of the progression is 98, then find the arithmetic progression. Also find the sum of the last 10 terms of this progression. Okay. So here is the answer for the first question. And the second optional answer is here about arithmetic progression. Okay, if when you follow any other method which is shown here, and if the answer and the steps are same and correct, then you will earn the marks here. Okay, so observe it properly, and then okay, coming to question 35, find the solution of the given pair of linear equations by graphical method. We'll get a graph sheet, you need to represent it. Observe it carefully how it is done. Okay, moving to next question, 36. Prove that in two triangles, corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. Okay, you have to prove it. So again, use theorem. This is postulate, side angle side, and then apply it. Okay, that is how you prove it. Okay, proving this theorem, as mentioned, the textbook marks should be given. So you will get a marks if you write as it's proved in the textbook also. Okay, question 37. Again, it's a word problem. In the given figure, a rope is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to a peg on a small level ground, such that the length of the rope is 20 meters and the angle made by it with the ground is 30 degrees. A circus artist climbs the rope, reaches the top of the pole, and from there he observes that the angle of elevation of the top of another pole on the same ground is found to be 60 degrees. If the distance of the foot of the longer pole from the peg is 30 meters, then find the height of this pole. Okay. So draw the diagram like this so that you understand it. Required lines and segments to be added. And then apply the formula and solve the sum. Observe it carefully again. How it has been proved, how it has been solved. Okay. Coming to next question, 38, answer the following question. Again, a wooden solid toy is made by mounting a cone on the circular base of a hemisphere as shown in the figure. If the area of a base of a cone is 38.5 square centimeter and the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter, then find the total surface area and the volume of the toy. So diagram is given, you can draw it and observe it and then solve. So answer is given here. Look at each steps very carefully. Pause the video and look. You can rewind it, go back again and look at the answer. Okay, so with this, we come to an end. This was the last question of this paper, question 38. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you all in preparing for your maths examination for your board exam. If you found the video helpful and informative, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. And stay tuned for more such videos. We'll be back soon with all those videos. Thank you.